Come on. You better come on. Oh, it's a puppy. Oh, look at the puppy. It's a puppy. It's a puppy. Go pee pee. Good boy. Raining outside. We got the living room vacuumed, the bedroom vacuumed, the dining area, the kitchen swept up, the back room is swept. Sprayed air freshener through the house. Huh, Milo? It's still kind of raining, but Milo need to go outside. Milo, what's up? You looking for the neighbors? They're not outside. It's raining. They're not outside. The other ones are in the garage too. They're not outside. It's raining. It was raining pretty good for a minute while ago. Woo! There go pee pee. Come on, Milo. Come on, Milo. Woo! There he goes again. I knew he needed to go, little fart. You don't like going out when it's cold and wet. Make him wait. Make him go and he don't. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy, Milo. Huh? We gotta go this way. It's flooded. We gotta go this way. Your side's flooded. That side's flooded. We gotta go this way. We gotta go this way. Milo. It's flooded over there, Milo. That side's flooded. I told you, see? Goofy. I told you that side was flooded.